So hey and hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. Today I'm going to draw Vegito but with a challenge. That is, I'm going to draw 3 pictures in different times. Like first one is in 1 minute, second one is in 10 and third one is in 1 hour. And also, did I tell you guys that I'm going to throw away the stencils if I can't complete in 1 minute drawing? And if I can't complete the 10 minutes drawing, I'm going to throw away this 200 rupees fountain pen. And at last, the third drawing, if I can't complete it in 1 hour, I'm going to throw away this 1000 rupees Lamborghini Aventador. So let's. So guys, here is my stopwatch, and by clicking this button, it will go on. So I will do it in 1, 2, 3. So I've started with it, and I was thinking that in 1 minute I cannot do that much of detailing and all. So for that, I'm going to only draw the face portion without the neck. If I have the time, I will draw the neck, but for now I have the goal for only drawing the face portion. At this point, I don't think you guys will believe, but for the speeding up of my video, it has been seen that I have only done it in seconds, but see, it is 1 minute and 1 second, and only I have drawn only the face because I didn't know the time has ran so fast. And now I will continue with the 10 minutes drawing, and now I will start it. The timer, I will reset it, and I will start with a new timer of 10 minutes. Go. This is for the anime fans that the Vegito is the fusion of Goku and Vegeta, the best duo in the anime series. I think the anime fans will know, but then also. Here I had to change the camera angle. I thought I will cut from the video, but it would be a cheating because everybody will tell that the time is stopped and you're drawing in unfair manner, whatever. I had completed the full drawing under 10 minutes, and I thought to fix all the things for the face, and that was the greatest mistake. Yeah, the time was up and I had to fix the shape on the time, but I got already failed. So guys, the drawing is now complete, but sadly it is out of the time limit. See, it is in the 10 minutes 10 seconds. That is not allowed. Wait, let me show you with the light. Yeah, 10 minutes 10 seconds. That is out of the reach. So I have to sacrifice my fountain pen. Okay, let's. Okay, here it is. I will show you the nib, or you will think it is fake. Here is the nib. It is real, and yeah, it will go in. So please like and subscribe for the sacrifice. Okay guys, I'm now a bit nervous because if I can't complete the 1 hour drawing, I have to throw this one away too. So let's go for it. Now guys, I'm going to start with the 1 hour drawing, and here is the time. I will wait till it to be till 30 and I will start. So as I'm drawing, I'm going to draw the famous position of, like, famous pose of Vegito that will be presenting in your screen, and let's see how it goes and pray for the best. Can I do it in under 1 hour? So here guys, I'm going to cut apart from the video because of course it would be too lengthy. For your proof, I will show the time. Here is the time. It is 6:40, and I will show you the time when I will cut. So yes guys, the sketch is now complete. I will show you the time. That is 6:58, almost 7. So I thought I had a leftover of 30 minutes, so why shouldn't I pen ink and sketch it? So if you want me to color this, make sure you drop down a comment, so that mean I will understand what you want, and till then I will hatch it like the previous video of Goku. If you had not watched it, go and watch it, but after watching. And also same here guys, I will trim the video. That is, now time is almost 7:05, and I will cut it. That is, now it is 7:10, and almost quarter of the hatching technique is now done. Actually, it would be too lengthy if I show all the things. That would be not great for you guys to watch my videos. So let's continue. Also guys, one more important thing, when you're hatching the lines in a one direction that the outline is going, make sure when you want to make an area darker, you make the lines opposite the outline. That will make the thing darker and will look good also. No. What is this happening? Guys, the drawing is complete, but sadly to say, I have to show you the time, and that is 7:22. Yeah, I was just joking and kidding. It is under the time, and it is complete. Make sure you like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, see ya.